a Texan shave, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand. Rona grand.
I forgot to push play again. Or record. Here's the deal. By the way, welcome to A Texan Shaves. I have this monitor because I'm using the rear camera on my phone, so I don't see the main screen, but I do have this monitor so I can still frame myself. But the button to start the recording, of course, is on the back side, and that's what makes me forget to push it. And then all of a sudden I get a notification and that reminds me that I haven't pushed record. So here I am, lathering up for the second pass on an amazing shave, and you got none of that. So let me break it down for you. Today we're shaving with Subtle Art Soap Company's WITCHCRAFT. This is being released today, September 8th at 12 Eastern. Don't miss it. Along with it is something I am highly anticipating, which is a shave soap and splash of Autumn Woods. Last year it was a bar soap only, and I bought 7 bars of it. Still have one left. I'm probably going to buy 5 more bars of it, but I want that shave soap. That fragrance is out of this world good. Noon Eastern today. Check it out. Now, for the razor, and I've showed you how this breaks down and everything earlier, but you weren't here because I didn't push record, but I'm using the Bedford razor. This is a razor that was trademarked in 1911 and was advertised for sale as late as 1918. And this is the case it comes in. It is super small, very, very small. It opens up. Inside was the razor folded up. Here is some actual tuck of original blades. Also a small strop would be right here because you can't strop these blades. And then a stropping handle for the blades would have been right here. I don't have the stropping handle. I did, however, have a tuck of 3 blades. I found the best one to use, and I'm actually using the authentic blade. But this razor is typically used by anyone that has it with a highly modified gym razor by trimming a piece out with a Dremel tool of the gym blade. But so here it is loaded. I've already shaved the first pass. And how this razor works, let me break it back down for you. I'm not going to unload it, but I think I can do this while leaving it loaded. So this is how it's packed in the box. And you raise this up and you twist the head out, and then you slide. This piece was seized when I got it. I had to really get after it to loosen this piece to where it slides. This piece slides up, and that's what locks the neck in place so it doesn't fold back down. There's a little catch here, and you just twist the handle so that the knurling does not slide back down and release the armature up here. So that's how it works. And I'm sorry, I had a little bit more detail to this. Dave and KY, Dave in Kentucky, I'm sure is what it is, YouTube channel had a lot of information on this razor. The only place I could find some when I got it. I got it, of course, because of the name Bedford, which is my last name. And let's get this lather going before I dry up too much. And yeah, so check his channel out. I have a link in the description below. He had a lot of good information shaved with it. I believe it was a couple years ago. I've only ever seen them with an open comb, and the one I have is a solid bar, which I have never seen before and was happy to have acquired. So far the shave has been okay. I don't know if it's the sharpest blade still or if it ever was, but it's been working. I've only done 1 pass. So, sorry you missed the beginning, but no blood has been shed. I did pick the best blade I could find out of that tuck of 3. Did sanitize it, and I didn't strop it or anything, but it seems to be doing all right. So here we go, pass number 2. I don't think it's going to give me the cleanest shave, but also didn't have a whole lot to shave today. As you can see, the angle is very odd. pretty much put that head flat. Maybe a 5 degree at most. Doesn't seem to be tuggy, but it is giving me a bit more resistance than I'm used to. So I know it's not quite the sharpest, but it is a very old blade, being an original. And even if I go a third pass, I can tell right now, as you just saw me go over that one spot and still hearing all that feedback, it's not going to give me a clean shave. Passable, maybe. I'll modify some gym blades and attempt another shave with it in the future, but I wanted to use some of the original blades, or one of the original blades, and try it out. So let's go ahead and go for a third pass. I didn't think I was going to, but yeah, definitely I would have been pretty clean by now, and I'm not. So we're gonna go for a third. Did I mention the scent notes? It's cinnamon leaf, dark patchouli, cedarwood, and sandalwood. It's an amazing fragrance, guys. Do not sleep on this. Wonderful, wonderful fall fragrance. Using my Omega Evo blood splatter brush handle. I searched it. I wanted this handle so bad. I searched it and found it in Spain, in a shaving shop in Spain, and got it over here. It's sold out everywhere here. Get some more water on this. Much better. All right. Oh, let's see how rough this is going to be. All right. We'll try to be super light. I mean, it's not tugging, it's just also not really cutting the best. Yeah, it's just taking a lot of work. I would not attempt this without a soap as good as Subtle Arts, for sure. It's just not cutting. Are there even whiskers in there? I can't tell. I don't have my glasses on. It really just feels like it's not even cutting. Honestly, everything is still there. Almost like I've got the blade in backwards or something, which I don't. So, yeah, I'm going to have to modify a gem. I'm going to go ahead and finish, though. It's just that dull. feel like I'm doing a why bother right now, right? I mean, originally it felt like it was doing something, but I might have just completely dulled it after the first pass, even being such an old blade. Yeah, that was a little tuggy. Yeah, it's not taking anything. All right. All right, I'm going to get a rinse, come back up for the splash, my final thoughts. Be right back. All right, yeah, so in rinsing, it cut absolutely nothing. Every whisker is still there. All I did was just scrape my face for 3 passes. Oh, well, it was worth a try. You know, I just thought it wasn't cutting much at first. I could have sworn it. I mean, it sounded like it, and it kind of felt like it, but yeah, not a damn thing. All right, that's okay. I will modify a gem blade. I'll modify a few of them. I'll use the existing blade as a template, and I'll modify a gem blade. And I might try to send these off to someone and see if they can be honed up a little bit, maybe, and see. Who knows? I don't want to ruin them either, but we'll see. All right, let's get the splash going. Witchcraft, again, releases today at noon Eastern, along with Autumn Woods. Do not miss out on this drop. Do not miss out on Subtle Art soaps. Amazing, amazing shave products. Oh, it smells so good. Yeah, absolutely nothing on the face. Oh, it's so good. Oh, yes. That is such a wonderful, wonderful fragrance. Excellent, excellent fall fragrance, autumn fragrance. Beautiful, beautifully done. And I love the label. This was the new label from last year. He's using it again this year. Guys, check out Witchcraft. Check out Autumn Woods today, noon. Don't miss out, guys. That's all I got. Find your peace and what and where you can. We'll see you next time on Texan Shaves, where I don't know how to push record. Goodbye.
Find your peace